guys, it's gonna look cowboy. Before we continue with the video, I want to remind you guys that the Salvage Nation raffle from a custom built, fully loaded BMW 325i plus £500 in cash is now live. If you want to get a ticket and be in for a chance to win this beautiful car, head on over to accesscompetitions.co.uk for a chance to win. Let's continue. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode from, you guessed it, Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're back on my 2010 LCI BMW 325i. But for this video, what the plan is, we need to sand all the bodywork. Akil's getting it ready next door. We're gonna be sorting out all the bodywork on the car. I have to do a bit of coding. I was gonna do the coding off camera, but I wanted to do it on camera so you guys can see exactly what goes into adding iDrive. So I've added the iDrive. The physical side of that is done. I need to do a bit of coding once it's done. Once we finish the bodywork, we're gonna do some painting. We're gonna be doing so many different things, getting this car to be looking in a very tip-top condition. Then I'm gonna be putting 12 months MOT on. Once everything is done, I'll be dropping this car to Access Competitions UK, where they're gonna be helping me to raffle it to you lucky people. So if that's what you wanna see, stay tuned. It's quite late today, so we might have to finish it off tomorrow, but for you, it's gonna be just like that. So let's continue, get this car sorted. Say hello to my he's a wine cup. Guys, it's my turn to have a go. Let's see.
Put your hands like this.
Yeah.
See, for example, this piece is completely down.
Yeah, I can see it's inside. So I need to target inside, yeah.
You need to target, but just millisecond.
Yeah.
Just
what happens if I hold it longer?
If you hold it longer, you make hot this one.
Too hot, yeah?
Yeah. You just.
Okay. Let's see. Guys, say hello to my little friend Akil.
You need to press complete. Yeah, just millisecond.
Okay.
You pour with your hand. Where's the damage?
It's here.
Okay.
Nothing.
Try now. At the same time, you pull with this hand, and with this one you give this hammer. Pop, pop, pop.
Okay.
With this one you pull. Okay, pull it. See, enough. Go more right, more right.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Haha, it's working. Right guys, so we've come around to do the passenger side door. We've had a feel and it's just so badly damaged and it's going to need so much bodywork and filler. After speaking with Akil right there, Akil, why can't we use it?
Listen now, this one we're going to do proper job, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
This car is going to be...
Raffle, of course, this is the raffle car.
So impossible, yeah?
Yeah.
But we need to do something special. We got all the door, better we fit all the door, man.
Exactly. So
We're
guys,
not going to waste time.
Yeah.
And the job is going to look proper.
Yeah.
This one, to repair this one is going to look cowboy. You know what I mean? You want to do something?
Guys, it's going to look cowboy. Anyway, guys, he's correct. So we're going to whack off whilst he does the back. After he does that, that's something that I can get stuck into. I'll take off this door. And if you remember my breaker, have a look at this. Right over there. I've had that up on eBay for the longest while. I've sold the driver's side and this has literally just been sitting there catching dust. But I know that the bodywork on that particular door right there is completely fine. So,
oh man.
So guys, let's continue. Guys, we managed to get a lot done today. I've changed my door, I've reset my window, that window's working fine. They're over there doing the other side. They're continuing to do all the bodywork. What's left is a lot more to do. So it's now 7:30, so I can catch you guys tomorrow. Right, guys, it's the next day here, and as you can see, guys, there's a lot that's gone on with this car. Akil is just around the other side finishing up the priming, and I want to show you exactly what's going on. So, if you remember yesterday, we were getting ready with sanding down the car, applied a bit of body filler. We let that dry overnight. I changed the passenger side door. I'll show you a few clips of the body filler and the sanding process today, and I'll show you what that looked like. And then after, I'll bring you back here and I'll show you how the primer has gone down. And then we're gonna be getting ready for paint, and then this car's gonna be painted. So as you can see, there's no more exposed body filler. There's been a couple of coats of primer that's gone onto this side. Have a look. The primer has gone down nice and smooth. And I believe that that's dry. There's no bodywork that's needed to the front. Got a replacement wing on, and like I said, my replacement door. So we've done the bodywork to this panel, and we've also gone ahead and put a couple of layers of primer. And then tomorrow, once this is nice and dry, it's still wet to the touch. Have a look, I've touched it and you can see my fingerprint right there. But that doesn't matter because it's just the primer. So tomorrow we'll leave it overnight to dry, fully dry, and then we're gonna wet sand, and then this car will be ready for paint.